Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 29th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from XPLR Infrastructure. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. XPLR Infrastructure has made some significant strategic shifts, and their latest earnings report provides a lot of insights into their future direction.
Strategic repositioning and capital allocation. Let's start with XPLR Infrastructure's strategic repositioning. They've announced a shift from an acquisition model to investing in existing assets. What does this mean for the company, John?
This is a pivotal change for XPLR Infrastructure. By suspending distributions to unit holders, they are freeing up cash to reinvest in their current assets and other high-return opportunities. This move is aimed at unlocking the value of their strong cash flows and eliminating the need for equity issuances, which is a strategic decision to enhance unit holder value.
And how are they planning to handle their convertible equity portfolio financings?
They plan to buy out selected convertible equity financings using cash, which is expected to yield double-digit returns for unit holders. This approach, along with their affirmed credit ratings, indicates a solid financial strategy moving forward.
Financial performance overview. Now let's delve into the financials. XPLR reported a net loss of $101 million for Q4 2024. Can you break down these numbers for us?
Certainly. The net loss includes a significant one-time after-tax goodwill impairment of $194 million. However, on an adjusted basis, their EBITDA for the quarter was $483 million, and for the full year, it was $1.959 billion. This shows that despite the net loss, their core operations are generating substantial cash flow.
What about their full-year performance?
For the full year 2024, they reported a net loss of $10 million, again impacted by the goodwill impairment. But the adjusted EBITDA figures highlight their operational strength, which is crucial as they transition to their new strategic model.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 52 cents, but the actual EPS came in at $0.08. How are analysts reacting to this discrepancy?
The actual EPS falling short of expectations is primarily due to the goodwill impairment. While this might cause some short-term volatility in the stock, the strategic repositioning and strong adjusted EBITDA could mitigate long-term concerns. Analysts are likely to have mixed sentiments, focusing on the strategic benefits rather than the immediate EPS miss.
Do you think this will affect their stock price significantly?
In the short term, yes, we might see some fluctuations. However, the market often looks beyond immediate earnings misses if the long-term strategy is sound, which seems to be the case here.
Future outlook and strategic initiatives. Looking ahead, what are XPLR's expectations for 2025 and beyond?
For 2025, they expect adjusted EBITDA to remain roughly flat, with potential impacts from the sale of the Meade pipeline investment. By 2026, they anticipate EBITDA between $1.75 billion and $1.95 billion. Additionally, they project free cash flow before growth to be in the range of $600 million to $700 million, which is a positive indicator of their financial health.
And there's a new CEO at the helm, correct?
Yes, Alan Liu has been appointed as the new CEO. With his extensive experience in risk management and corporate development, he is well positioned to lead XPLR through this transition and capitalize on growth opportunities.
Key takeaways. In summary, XPLR Infrastructure is undergoing a significant strategic shift that could unlock long-term value for unit holders. Despite the current EPS miss, their strong adjusted EBITDA and positive free cash flow projections are promising. John, any final thoughts?
It's a bold move by XPLR, but one that could pay off in the long run. Investors should keep an eye on how these strategic initiatives unfold, especially with the new leadership in place.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on XPLR's performance in the comments below.